And welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make this headband. This is a rib headband which is worked on the back loop of each stitches. It's an adjustable headband which you can make in different sizes of your choice. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful it is. Just get the hair circumference you want to create and make it as long as you want. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using this brand of Nigerian yarn. I'll be using 4mm crochet hook. I'll also be using tape measure to take the hair circumference, and also scissors to cut off our yarn and tapestry needles to weave in all ends. So let's get started.
Welcome to Little Feet Crafts.
So I'll be doubling the yarn like this. So I'll be using 2 strands of this yarn. So next is to make a slip stitch, because we are starting with a chain. So we'll start with our strap, the strap of our headband. So I'll make chain 40, or as long as you want the strap to be. So 40. So this is my chain 40, and I'll skip 1, 2, 3 and 4. So into the 5th stitch, I will insert my hook and work my single crochet. So I'm going to be working single crochet down this row. At this point, I have just 1 stitch left. 1 stitch left. So into this last stitch, I'll be making 2 single crochet inside. 2 single crochet. Next, I will chain 1 and turn my work. Remember, we have 2 single crochet. Now into this very first stitch, I will make 2 single crochet like this, and into the second stitch, I'll make just 1 single crochet. Now I will chain 1, turn my work. Into this very first stitch, I'll go in with 2 single crochet. Into the 2 remaining stitch, I'll go in with 1 single crochet each. So we are increasing at this point. Now on this row, we have a total of this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 single crochet altogether. Now chain 1, turn your work. Into this very first stitch, I'll go in with 2 single crochet, and into the subsequent stitches, I'll go in with 1 single crochet each. So next is to chain 1 and turn your work. I'll go in with 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, and in the subsequent stitches, I'll go in with 1 single crochet each. Now chain 1, turn your work. At this point, this is what you should be having increase. So this is the main body of the headband. Now I'll go in with 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in subsequent stitches. Chain 1. I will turn my work and work 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in each of the remaining stitches. Now always count your stitches. At the end of this row, I have the first two that is here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total of 8 stitches. Now I will chain 1 and turn and repeat my increase. That is 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the subsequent stitches. So I have a total of 9 stitches here. I will chain 1 and turn my work. 1 2. So I have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the last row of our increase. What we'll be doing next is to chain 1, turn our work and work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches till you get to the very last stitches with no form of increase. At the end of this particular row, I should have a total of 10 single crochet. So chain 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now this is what I'll continue making. I'll continue making chain 1 and single crochet on the back loop only, till I get to the measurement of the head circumference minus 2 inches. So for this headband, I'm making for a circumference of about 18 inches. So I'll be stopping at 16 inches. So I'll be stopping at 16 inches. Hope you understand. So instead of stopping at 18, I'll stop at 16. Don't forget you stretch your work a little bit. You stretch it a little bit because this is a stretchy pattern. Now I'll come back and show you what to do next. So at this point, remember I said you stretch your headband. So this is a total of 16 inches. So I'll be stopping this row here. So let me tell you what to do next. So I want to reduce this row to something like this. Now I want you to watch carefully. So make your regular chain 1 and turn your work. Now into the very first stitch, you will insert your hook and pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull through, and yarn over, pull through all. So what you are basically doing here is we are reducing 2 stitches to 1. We are doing single crochet 2 together. Now I will insert 1 single crochet in each of the subsequent stitches. I will chain 1 and turn my work, and I will repeat the decrease on the first 2 stitches and work my 1 single crochet in subsequent stitches. Chain 1. I will turn and repeat my decrease. Chain 1. So at this point I have just 2 stitches left, and I'm going to be reducing the 2 stitches, and I will chain 1. What I'll be doing next is to make this amount of chain, which is chain 40. So I've made 1, so 2, that's 9, 40. So I have a total of 40 chain. So what I'll be doing next is to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5th stitch. I'll make my so on this very last single crochet, look at it, I'll just gently slip stitch into this one of the stitches that we reduced last. So chain 1, and I'll cut off my yarn and weave in all the just the 2 ends. And this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Look at how beautiful it is. Just adjust it on your head just the way you want. So you can make this in different sizes, just the hair circumference that will be different. Now look at how stretchy it is. Remember that you can add any petal or flower to this headband to beautify it more. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.